The Losuudy wired backup camera system delivers a sharp AHD 1080p image across 4 cameras, making it much easier to judge distance and obstacles around a larger vehicle. Its 10.1-inch in-plane switching monitor gives you a genuinely roomy view, and the split-screen modes still remain readable when you watch multiple angles at once. All included cameras offer infrared-assisted night vision and a rugged waterproof housing, so the system stays usable and clear in rain, snow, and dark parking lots. The system can record from all 4 channels simultaneously, which is reassuring for documenting road incidents or simply saving footage from long trips. Flexible on-screen options let you flip each camera between normal and mirrored views and fine-tune the parking guidelines so the layout matches your specific truck, trailer, or recreational vehicle. Powering the kit from a cigarette lighter socket and running a single cable between monitor and cameras keeps installation straightforward compared with many hardwired multi-camera setups.